This video I'm going to show you how to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com. It will take you to first you to the login page where you have to log in with your username and password. So right now, this message is there's this notice is coming up. We are aware that there is an issue with accessing Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. I think the server of the Roblox is down right now. So let's try if it works or not. So just click on this menu option and go to Avatar. Now I'll show you first of all. Now, so first of all, if you want to wear multiple hairs, just click on this. Just hover over the head and body and choose the hair. Now, if I try to choose multiple hair, you can see that it will automatically unselect the previous one. So how can I select two or more hairs? So if I want to wear this hair also, just right click on it. Like I'm gonna wear this hair and just right click on it and copy the link of the new hair and just paste it here. And once you paste, just copy the asset ID. Now go back to the Roblox and just click on this advanced option and paste it here. And just click on save and save. And as you can see that both the hairs has been selected. But if you use if you are since guys like before we are just selecting one by one hair, so it is unselecting the previous one automatically. But using this advanced option, you can select two hairs simultaneously at once. So if you want to select multiple hairs, so if I try to select this one, and if I try to select multiple hairs by using the advanced option, it won't work because the advanced option allow only two hairs at once. If you want to select multiple hair, guys, what you need to do, you have to install this extension on your browser. So BT Roblox. So it basically it's enable the feature that Roblox officially does not allow. So it will allow you to select multiple hairs, multiple items. You just need to install this BT Roblox extensions and let me go to extensions and manage extensions. I just need to enable this. And once I enable, I just need to reload this website. Is down. I think that's why it's taking a lot of time to reload. So after enabling the extension or after installing the extension and after enabling, you just need to go back to the website. And after reloading the website, you just need to select multiple hair at once. So it will allow you to select as many as hair you want. So I don't know what is the problem with my internet. Yeah, it's loading or not? So it is taking, yeah, now it's working. Finally, it's working, guys, and you just need to go back to the hairs and select as many hair as you want. So I'm going to select one by one. You can see it allow me to select multiple hair by using this BT Roblox extension. So you can see the interface has been changed on the left panel on the menu bit. So there are more options now right now after enabling the extension. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And you can see my avatar. It has so many hairs on his head. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.